we addressed the second global childbirth goal, which was suffering. Those of us who wanted to have home births mostly did it for either religious reasons, because they would never seek medical care under any circumstance, regardless of whether it was pregnancy or childbirth, and people who were called hippies or alternative or back to the land people that wanted to do things more naturally. Back then, it was not easy to transfer from a home birth to a hospital. Since midwives were outlawed in all 50 states, different states responded to home birth in a different manner. There were also quite a number of people who accidentally had home birth. They birthed in the back of a taxi or on the way to the hospital or in the middle of the night. And there were, of course, people who birthed alone. Women who birthed alone because their husband was at work or overseas in the military, or because it just happened so quickly. People wanted to feel more skilled. They wanted to feel more confident. So we developed the skills. What did they do for home births? What did skills do for home births? Well, they did two things. Because in the 70s and the 80s, we knew in a hospital that 95% of women were laboring anyway, we really didn't think about anything beyond everybody's giving birth, and it's just sort of a place, either a hospital or a home. We wanted people who could help us. But we realized that the biggest problem in home birth was transferring. So Birthing Better families that were focused on home birth began to be focused on what could they do to prevent having to transfer, and what could they do if they did transfer.